Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Welcome back to another video. Hey girl, how you doing? Y'all, she can laugh. I'm so irritated. We are about to go see my son play. He has a football flag game today. We are heading out. I just wanted to make the intro. Y'all, having kids is a whole lot. I will get back to y'all when we get there. Bye. Damien! Damn. Let's go! Okay. Damien. Woo!
Alright. Coach at the end. Coach at the end. Alright.
Woo!
Can someone take this so I can put the in there? Smile.
1, 2, 3.
Y'all gonna fall. Y'all supposed to do each leg. Y'all is silly.
Bro, you gonna fly off.
Oh! You hit your knee? The bad one?
Check it out. Look cool. Bro, it went like this and then... Hey, stop. Okay,
Damien's sweating on his neck. Oh! He gonna fly off. His little foot. Come on. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I am back at home. Of course, y'all know it's Saturday, so laundry needs to get done. But I'm gonna do the kids first. Oh y'all, my room. An update on my room. I bought my bench. Let me show y'all. I thought I was gonna show y'all the actual bench. It came yesterday. I said I've been talking about getting this bench for the longest. Cheyenne's birthday kind of put a pause on me doing my room, even though I said I was doing stuff for myself and them kids was getting pushed to the side because I ain't never done that before. I still ended up stopping my room to make sure my baby had a good birthday. You know, mothers, we talk that shit, but we still gonna put them kids first. It doesn't matter. So now all I need is my plant, which is an artificial plant, and the flower pot thing to put it in. But instead of ordering the flower pot from Amazon. I'm gonna go look at like Marshalls and stuff, even to see if they got the plant and everything already together, and I don't even have to buy it separately. Because I think I will spend less if I do that. So that and my insert. That's all I need, my insert for my bed. Because I got the duvet. Damien. I got the duvet cover already. I just need the insert. And I will be ready to go. Like a week ago, I ordered like my little key holder and all that. So y'all know I've been having stuff since November. I actually been buying stuff since November. So I really hope this room turn out pretty good. But yeah, y'all. So on the schedule for today, laundry. I might do his hair because he's been wearing it curled. I might twist it. And tomorrow, still wash and then Kamari's hair. So no matter what, today and tomorrow is laundry and hair. So if y'all want to see that or stay tuned, just hang though with Busy Ree. Please stay tuned. I'm about to eat my salad from Chick-fil-A. Oh yeah, his game. How you feel?
I feel good, but I could do better. I was playing against, they were like low key talking trash a lot.
Yeah, they keep texting y'all. Hubby is in Vegas with my daddy, his cousin, his nephew. It's a few of them. It's Super Bowl weekend and all that. So he's like, I could go. Sir, you grown. Yes, you could go. I'm going to hold it down like I do always. Like, we a team. I got this, baby. I got this. But he texted me saying something. But people going to always have something to say. You just do what you got to do. And you learn from whatever mistakes you feel like you made. You just try to do even better next time. But you got this. You caught the ball, what, twice? Twice. You caught the ball when they threw it to you, so that's good. So, yeah, y'all. His team did lose, but he caught the ball twice. One time he slipped. Another time they stepped on his shoe when he caught it, and his shoe came off. But it's okay. Like, it'll never be perfect. Like, it's never going to go the way you actually want it to go. But why is you hitting my poster?
I'm not hitting your poster, I'm hitting the bed.
You didn't just hit that?
No.
He did.
No, I didn't.
But anyway, I'm about to eat my salad and I'll get back in a minute. Bye. Hey y'all, it is hella hours later. I just got the kids some McDonald's. I am still washing. But I'm gonna pick back up tomorrow. I still have to wash me and hubby clothes, and I still have to do hair. I think I'm still doing Damien's hair tonight though. But I'm not gonna show it. So maybe I'll show y'all when I'm done. So Kodak even over there eating, he choking. Slow down. I'll get back with y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Tomorrow. Three days later.
Hey y'all, hey, my apologies. Y'all, it is 4 days later and I'm editing and realize I did not do an outro. I did not show Kamari hair. Well, actually, I didn't do her hair until like that next day, but I only flat ironed it. I didn't like put it in a ponytail. I didn't style it or nothing. So y'all, that will be it for this video. I know it was short, but I'll make it up. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend about Busy Ree. And I will see y'all next weekend. Oh, and y'all, before I go, I have a membership that allows, one second, y'all. I have a membership for $2.99 a month. You could cancel anytime. It's not mandatory. You don't have to do it, but it just allow my subscribers to have like extra perks. But it's up to you. Like you don't have to. It allows you to have priority access to me responding to you guys on comments because you have a badge next to your name that lets me know that you're a member. You also get access to videos that only members have access to. So everyone will not see these videos. It's strictly only for members. You also have access to certain emojis that you can use, like when you comment and stuff, only members have it. So if you go to my description, I'll have the link there, or if you go to my actual page, you'll see it say join and you can read up everything. But if you do join, I appreciate it. And just to put it out there right now, any funds that I do get from members for subscribing, I will use that towards my channel. So like how you guys know I clean a lot, so you know I'll buy cleaning products and you know, things like that, hair products, anything that has something to do with my channel, I'll use it towards that. And just check it out. And I will see y'all next weekend. Bye.